Hey guys, it's Dana with XJet Technologies. Today we're going to be talking about the DS Twist downstream adjustable soft wash nozzle. Out of the box, the DS Twist comes in 3 different sizes: 2 to 3 gallon per minute for up to 40 feet reach, 3 to 7 gallon per minute for up to 50 foot reach, and 7 to 12 gallon per minute up to 60 foot reach. Although the DS Twist may look like an XJet M5, it's a different method completely. The XJet M5 is external injection, whereas the DS Twist will require a downstream injector connected to your pressure washer. One of the benefits that contractors love about the DS Twist is that with typical downstream setups, you have multiple nozzles that you have to switch between rinsing and soaping. With simply a twist of the nozzle, you can go from 0 to 60-degree spray pattern and anywhere in between, reaching up high or down low with one nozzle, even with the trigger pulled on the spray gun.